Where are we walking to now? Oh, we're walking. So I'm going to show you a tour of that brand new greenhouse. So this is the Yardistry 8x10. It's supposed to be cedar. It doesn't smell like cedar. Greenhouse. So we finished it today. I'm going to give you a quick little tour of what it looks like. So if you notice, it has these little handles that you could use. I put my handle on the outside. I think you could have actually put it on the inside, but I think the outside works better for me. So I have a chain that I haven't connected yet. And I use it for my doorstop right now to make sure I don't get locked in. But when you first walk in, you can see how big it is. We have it sitting on a concrete block. Nice wraparound shelves. And we have shelves at the top. One thing that Yardistry did that I had heard a lot of people talk about was the vents. So what they actually did now is that they have a vent cover that you could put on your windows, because they have automatic windows that open up. So because I have the 8x10, I actually have 2 vent covers, which is pretty good. Just to add with more air circulation around here, we actually put in a solar panel vent that we have down here that's coming through the regular vent, and that's just to bring just a little more air circulation into the greenhouse. What I did notice is that when we first started the build early this morning, or rather we got ready to complete the build early this morning, it was actually 102 in here. And I just kind of have my thermometer thrown down anywhere right now. So with the air, with the windows being open and an extra vent, now we're at 81.5. So that's pretty doggone good. But yeah, for the most part, it wasn't a difficult build. I would just say you really have to follow the instructions. All of the pieces are marked great, all of the tools, all of the screws and everything, but you really have to follow instructions, because if you miss one thing, it will set you back and you have to go back and redo everything. Prime example is we had the door latch on the wrong way the first time. So we had to come back and fix that. But for the most part, so far, considering it's just completed today, I think it's going to be okay. But only time will tell how it holds up. Honestly, I have to be very transparent about that. Only time will tell how it holds up. But I'm very happy with this purchase. It wasn't expensive as some of the other ones I looked at was, but I think I'm gonna make this work. I can see my seedlings and all my little plants up in here. I got plans. I got plans. That's all I'm gonna say. I got plans. So y'all take care. And let me go on back out here, because I see my little dog Pippi out here. Pippi! Where's she at? She was around here. But okay, peace out.